Hi. Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday. I did not go to church today, and you know what? I'm gonna be working on that. And you guys are my it's zooming in. And you guys are my accountability. I'm actually about to go do my final apartment tour after the paint job, and I think I'm gonna show you. If I don't show you now, maybe I'll do I might show you now, and then I'll show you like the before and after as I like slowly make the place a home. So we're gonna do that. My sister's coming with me, so you'll see her. Then we're gonna run some errands, come back, and I just need to I feel like I just have not been clean like I prefer to be. So I want to go through my closet again and like make sure I'm not holding on to anything, and just clean up, tidy up around the house, and I think that's it. So come along with me. The fit today is casual. I have this Nike hat, this Duncan crew neck that my friend Megan gave me, as you all have seen her on the channel, these jeans, and then I will have these books on. So we're going for casual but put together. And let's go to scents. Let's do a scent today. Like, what perfume am I going to wear? First of all, go to your local beauty supply store and get some of these oils because they're so good. They're so good. So I think I'm gonna do this oil and a little bit of this Coach Dreams perfume. I have really been liking this one. I feel like it's giving woman. It's giving 25 and grown, except in a perfume. Okay. My sister. Okay. Hi everybody. I randomly got stressed about like fitting things in the apartment that I'm about to move into, and then my sister calmed me and she was like, you can find ways to work with your storage. And then I spent a lot of time on TikTok figuring out how people with those small New York apartments fit all their stuff. So I'm starting with under bed storage, except organized. We're not going to go back to the past and make it chaotic. We're going to have some structure. So I got these, it's gonna roll, but like the under the bed, like rolling storage. So this pack came with two. I think it was like $30 for two of them. So I am gonna go with this. I feel good with this decision, and I measured my bed. Just a reminder to measure your bed underneath if you're gonna do this, because I actually did get some before, and I got these from I think Target or Walmart maybe, and I thought this was gonna be great. It did not fit under my bed, so it is important that you measure. I cleared off, if you guys saw me when I organized my closet, you know that this bookshelf was completely full. And I got it down to this many books, and I'm very, very proud of myself. Not including these, but I'm never getting rid of these that are on the shelf. I don't plan on it anyways, unless something changes. Never say never. But yes, so I was able to get rid of some things, and I organized under my bathroom sink because I just realized how much stuff I had that I really didn't need. So yeah. All of the books that I'm getting rid of are over here. So I need to do that. That's going to be on my list for next weekend. I was going to try to do it today, but I was like, let me just go through everything and stop making multiple trips of the same thing. So what you are about to see next is I have these wooden bowls that I thrifted for 50 cents. And I want to just thoroughly wash them because they have stuff in it. And I got some mineral oil, so I'm gonna wash them, put the mineral oil on, and just let them dry. I actually really like them though, and this is why you thrift, because I think they're so cute and they're gonna look really good when they're like fresh again, because right now they look ashy. So okay, so I've been letting this beef bone boil all day. I only had one, but it was big, and it's actually looking really good. I'm gonna shut it off here in a minute since everything has been pretty much cooked down as far as it can. I'm sure it could be cooked longer, but again, it's been all day, so, and you can tell it's gotten so much more cloudy, and there's like healthy fats coming from the bone. So I'm actually gonna do this in a little bit.
So important to read it. So I think I'm gonna start this today.
These look so much better already. Like, wow, so much better. Trying to just get...
When did everything get so intense? Like, sure, all this is impressively athletic, but this is not athletic. It's athletic-ish. It has all the brands you want at the prices that let you do it all. From athletic to athletic-ish. Sierra's got...
Okay, I am still on the story of the last child, or of the lost child. I'm not sure where I ended when I told you all I was reading this series before. But it's getting good. I'm 33% in, so I'm actually gonna sit here and read that for a little bit and not be looking at the TV. Although I do like to turn on like a little music, which I will show you guys. Hold on. Okay, this is the channel I sometimes listen to. You know I listen to Loaf. I've noticed when I read, I like this channel because it like kind of moves. Like, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, like the flowers kind of move. And I don't know, something about it, it just really makes me enjoy my reading. So I'll probably read, it's 5 right now, I'll probably read for an hour and see how far I get. Pepper's here with me. I'm having a very odd dinner. Which is, I made this bone broth for the week and I haven't finished it, and it's probably about to be like, not expired because I made it, what, Monday, but it's definitely to a point where I want to start finishing it up since it's pretty much Friday. Anyway, so I just added some spinach. I had some sweet potato already cooked that my sister made for meal prep, and I just squeezed some lemon in here, added some ginger, and I'm gonna top it with some cilantro and green onion. I just mainly want the broth. I was gonna do noodles, but we had the sweet potato already, so I wanted to eat it. So nothing exciting, kind of random, but I feel like this is what the body needs. So I don't even know why I'm showing you this not exciting meal and watching Abbott.